Mulia Primary School. Today we are gonna do science experiment, and the name is lemon volcano. We need the materials and tools. The tools is spoon, a knife, and a tray. The material is lemon and baking soda and food coloring. Now we start. First we need to cut the lemon. Now we cut like this. Now we need the spoon to get the things inside the lemon. Now we put the food coloring. First is green. And make sure the color stays into the lemon. Now we get the baking soda. Oh, okay, that's enough. Need more. Baking is to this one. Oh. We aduk-aduk. Oops. It's cream. Look, now the bubble has come. So how this is happened? Because the baking soda contains calcium carbonate. If calcium carbonate mixed with acidic solution, it will produce carbon dioxide gas. If you so you will see the bubble. Hope you enjoy my video. Thank you for watching. Bye.